starts crying, and I told her to go to sleep because I thought she might be tired.
That, firefighters say, is the first sign that a mother and her daughters were suffering from carbon monoxide poisoning. At her request, we're not identifying her. She tells us she had no idea what was happening as her 3-year-old daughter became unresponsive.
Until she just started getting her body all stiff, her hands, her legs, and she was practically dying.
She says she called 911 and her other daughter collapsed.
While I was on the phone with them, my second daughter, my 5-year-old daughter, she was walking and she just fell.
And their baby, she says, never made a peep.
She didn't say anything, she didn't cry, she just closed her eyes.
Lincoln Fire and Rescue tells us the trailer's carbon monoxide level was 14 times higher than the amount that will set off a detector.
That would be a reading in which you need to exit immediately and you need to go to the hospital for help.
The family says their electricity was turned off, so they were using the grill to cook with the door open. LFR says to get CO detectors because that gas is deadly. Right now, this trailer is condemned. The mother says the gas company and the electrical company should be out within the next few days. She hopes they'll move back in by Saturday. In Lincoln, Sarah Feely, KETV News Watch 7.